In the misty Scottish Highlands prowls the cat Sìth, a giant black feline with a white patch on its chest. Legend has it, if you forget to leave out a saucer of milk, this creature might just steal your soul. Imagine Darth Vader, but fluffier, more judgmental, and driven entirely by dairy cravings. The cat Sìth, part spirit, part cat, might have inspired the word Sith from Star Wars. Both prefer the shadows, wield mysterious powers, and think everyone exists to serve them. Some tales say the cat Sìth spied on witches, learning their secrets, and decided to run the coven itself. Classic Sith behavior, right? If Star Wars were Celtic folklore, the cat Sìth would train tiny kittens as Sith apprentices. Picture them hissing in unison. Join me, and together we can rule the Great Hall. So, when your black cat sits in a doorway, eyes glowing like twin lightsabers, don't panic. Just pour some milk, bow slightly, and accept your role as a loyal Padawan.